I'm Brenna Gibbons, and I'm here at the KTXS station where Sunday night storms brought 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. As you can see, the roof of our garage has caved in over the live van, and our broadcast tower has collapsed over the station. KTXS meteorologist Kaden Dinkins was at the station and says the experience was unimaginable.
This is just absolutely insane. Our station is just completely ruined. Oh my God. Quite literally, our studio roof was ripped off of the hinges, if you will. The studio roof just flew off right above me and our chief meteorologist, Mark Rowlett, as we were trying to take cover kind of from an unexpected situation.
Kaden was outside watching the storm moments before the destruction occurred.
You don't ever expect to experience something like that. The power went out in the studio and the whole entire station, and we're walking back into the studio, and you just feel this almost suction kind of taking you with these winds as this roof is pulling off. My ears popped. I felt like I was gravitating towards that area that was opening, and me and Mark, just all we could do was take cover and hope for the best.
She told us she couldn't even comprehend what she was seeing.
It's pitch black dark. You're walking in and you're just hearing things, and you go and see it in the daylight, and like I said, it's not something you can even imagine. Your whole workplace, the place we love, the place where we do what we love to do, is completely destroyed.
She said there were so many loud sounds that it was hard to make out what was happening.
Towers falling, roofs ripping off, bricks crumbling down in our garage. So we're just extremely lucky to be here completely unharmed, not even a scratch on my body, even though there was things flying around us, debris all over the studio, water pouring in, like just unimaginable situation.
KTXS will continue to update our web and socials with more information as we get it.
Tell me a little bit about what you saw, what you heard last night.
Well, actually, this is from my house. It blew my whole roof off. So we were just laying in bed, and the whole house shook. And I told my roommate, you better get up and get your clothes on. And she got her clothes on. We were going to go outside, but it was just raining too hard. And it just ripped we could feel it just ripped the whole roof off. So we went and got in the car, so it's better to be in the car than stay in the trailer. So
what did it sound like?
It's like it started hailing real bad at first. And then right after that's when it hit. I mean, everybody else said there was a boom. I didn't hear a boom, but all I heard was the hail, and then you could feel the roof coming off of it.
What kind of damage did it do to your house?
It ripped the roof off.
So what are you gonna do now?
I don't know what we're gonna do. I got several friends helping me to figure it out. So
about what time did it hit?
It was about, I'm gonna say 12 o'clock, maybe 12:30. Because I get up at 3 in the morning, so I was staying in and out.
There's another one.
I just got back from dropping my daughter off. Sat down in the chair, was getting ready to finally eat my dinner, and all I heard was a boom. The house shook, lights went out, and it was just wind, a strong wind. But I didn't hear any other sounds or anything like that. But yeah.
And so talk a little bit more about what did it sound like?
I can't describe what it sounded like. I can tell you what I felt. I mean, it was like a boom, like a bomb or something went off, and it shook the house.
What kind of damage did it do to your place?
Well, my shed is gone, and it put it pushed my refrigerator in, whatever it was. It knocked a hole on the inside of the house.
So tell me a little bit, what did you see and what did you hear last night?
I didn't see anything, but we heard all the wind and the hail hitting against the windows, and it was scary. We just jumped out of bed. I mean, it was scary.
What did it sound like?
Like we were about to blow away. Yeah, like we were about to fly.
So what kind of damage did you get?
Fences down on this side, fences down on that side, and basically that's it. Just the whole fence, mostly.
Were you scared?
I was terrified.